Hello, MFers, and everybody knows MFers means Magnet Fishers. Anybody knows where I am? I'm in Patterson, and this is the hood, man. That's the bridge. Let's hit it. Wow, water's moving a bit. It's gonna be good. Let's get it in there. Bob, I'm out here first truck. Nice truck. Yeah. Hold. Looks like to a mob, something like that. Start a pile there. Yeah, I felt the click on there. Oh, what's that? Oh, something shiny. I don't know if they're connected or not. Oh, what's that? I don't know, hub to something. Take it. Look at that water, man. It's almost like rapids here. Oh yeah, we got something on there again. What do we got? Another pipe? Pole. There we go. What the? Oh, what do we got there? Coin. Not sure if that's a coin or a token, but look into that. Nice. Oh, look at that sunrise. Yep, I'm out here early. Me in the garbage, man. What the heck is this? I think it's just a plastic bag. Oh no, there's something else on there too. Some kind of metal attached it to the plastic bag. Alright. I got a bunch of crap out of there. Not exactly sure what that is, but plastic bags. Nice. We'll clean it up. What's up, brother?
Right,
say MFers. MFers. MFers.
MFers.
Thank you. All right, look what we got here. See what we got coming up? I'm using a magnet. Nice. What do we got there?
You collecting the scraps.
Yep, collecting the scraps. All right? Bring it in for a little cash. Not too shabby, huh? What's up, brother? Have a good day.
Thumbs up.
Same to you.
All the time.
All right, brother. Have a good one.
You too, bro.
Thank you. Oh, something in the bag. Let's see what we got here. The old mystery bag.
In the bag.
Yep. Always holding down the bag, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna see what else we can find in there.
Yeah.
It's just oh, look at that.
That's like a punch, right?
Yeah.
Seal.
I don't know what exactly you call that, but some kind of tool. Chisel, right?
Yeah, that's chisel.
Chisel.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, I gotta get out of the way. I know it's a busy sidewalk. God, I hooked on something big here. Oh yeah. This got some weight. What do we got? Oh, you see that coming out of the water? What the? Oh boy. Ah, like a drainage cap. You know what I mean. Oh, there's something on there. Oh, at first it looked like our friend Mr. Rebar. But it looks like a cable. Yep. Some kind of cable. Pile's getting up there. Gotta keep it off this bridge, as you can tell. Big pedestrian bridge. Ooh, up in the tree, bushwhacking. Alright, got some weight here. Oh, I don't know if that's coming up. What the? Alright. Wow. We got it. What the heck is that? No, that looks like a safe door to me. I don't know. It feels a little flimsy to be a safe door. But, I don't know what that is, but it actually wasn't that heavy. It was just awkward with the current. Nice. How you doing? You see something? Look, mira. Oh shit! It's a magnet. No, magnet. Metal. You know what I mean? Metal. Ding.
Oh, yeah?
Yep. Yeah, take it easy. Yeah. Doing a good job, right? Yep. Yep. Take care, brother. Oh, what do we got here? Slowly. Come on. Oh, mystery bag. Oh, it looks like an umbrella. Yeah, that's what it is. Somebody had a bad day in the rain. Didn't even open it. Nothing in it. Pile's pretty big. And as you can see, the people around here, you know, most people like what I'm doing. Say, hey, cool, bringing out the garbage. This thing is actually pretty cool. Because I can put it like that and put all my scraps right on top of it and move it easily. It's going to be an easy cleanup. And I do clean up. I see something on there. Looks like a tool. Oh, maybe not. Oh, what is that? Is that all connected? Is that one thing? Oh, it's a can opener, I believe. Yeah, I'll take that. I thought it was a vice grip at first. Oh, what do we have here? Looks like watch band. Nice, flexible. That's right where I wanted it. Nice. Belt. Well, more of a door collar maybe than a belt. Alright. Door collar. Watch. Where's my gun? What's that, blue? Not many things that are blue. Oh, flashlight. Nope. And a socket. And various scrap. What a pile. There's another spot that I want to check. It's from walking distance. So I want to check that out. Keeps catching me, but can't pull up what's ever attached to it. And anyone knows Patterson at all, I believe you'll know where I am. And I have to hit this place. Have to hit it. Thank you. That used to be Kansas Fried Chicken there. Morning. And those are the CCP projects. Building 124, now called Riverview Apartments. I didn't know that. But this water's moving really fast here. Really fast. So I don't know how this is going to work, but we have to give it a shot. Have to. Morning. Yeah, that water's moving way too fast, man. I don't know if you can see it all. Doesn't do it justice on film. But there's a couple pockets that I might try. Look like something over here. So, we'll try that. Now, let's take a shot right here. Oh, what a shitty throw. Damn it. All right, after that crap throw, I threw in again, and I'm on something. So, sort of my very first throw. Oh, it's going to pull it under the bridge. And it popped off. Bummer. This is, oh no, I still got it on there. Part of it, anyway. It's going to be a little tough with the rail and everything, but, hey man, I have to give this place a shot. You see where I am. All right, what do we got here? Some kind of bracket. You know what? I cleaned up that other pile at the other place, and some guy actually came over and said, hey man, I'll take that. So he took it. I helped him out. All right, I got something with some weight here, man. Oh, what have we? Oh, what's that look like? Coming over. Oh, coming over. Bicycle. Nice. Pieces of a bicycle. We'll take that anytime. And what's that? Oh, MFers, Magnificent. Anybody wants one of those stickers, let me know. I don't know how I'll send it to you if you want to give me your address or whatever. All right, I got something on here. Oh, what do we got? Looks like a piece of a shopping cart. Just a mangled mess. Nice little pocket over here where the water's not raging. So, see what we can get out of there. Oh, whatever this is, it smells. Good smell coming up. Spray paint. It's full too. All right, we got something coming up. Oh, what do we got there? Big plate. Small plate, actually. Stuck to the bridge. Get off of there. Piece of a cat can. How that's stuck on there. Alright, I'm actually not parked in the best spot in the world, so we're going to take a couple more throws on the other side, and then we're going to get out of here. Because, you know, it's getting crowded around here, and like I said, I don't know if you can see my car, but it's over there. And there's all kinds of tow truck signs, towing, get out, can't park here and stuff. So, there's the car. We'll throw over on the other side a couple times. Wow, I don't know. This looks like it's moving way too fast. Let's see if we can find a pocket somewhere. I don't know over here. Okay, there is a nice little spot over here. Yeah, we're gonna hit this. This will work. Now, very first throw here, I'm on something. I don't know what it is, but that's a good sign. You know, these ledge railings are a little high, but I'll take it. Nice, huh? Oh yeah, get off the bridge. What the heck is that? Oh, it was a bag of dope or something. A bag of magnetic dope. Whatever it is. Oh, I got another coin on there. Nice. That's two of them. I don't know if they're coins or not. Could be tokens. Oh yeah, I got something on there. And we are going to be serenaded. Because I guess you know where we are, right? With the lovely sounds of sirens. Now, when I say hood, I'm in the hood. This is Jersey, this is Patterson, and this is, I don't know. Alright, traffic's coming up now. It's getting a little late, that's why it's picking up now. Oh, I like to drop the magnet. It loses its strength the more you hit it. Here, say MFers. You, MFers. MFers.
Mike.
Okay, good enough. Nada.
Nothing.
Mierda. Using a magnet, bro. Take it easy. Hasta. Yep, thank you. Now, this bridge is getting real busy, as you can see. That doesn't bother me, but what does bother me is my parking, because I'm in a spot where I shouldn't be, I don't believe. Traffic's backing up here a little bit. We'll see. A couple more throws. All right, we're on something on there. Oh, I think I got a cell phone. Yes, I do. Let's see. Come on over that. Oh, yeah. Oh, I don't know. Maybe not. What is that? Not a cell phone. Purse. Nothing in it. Bam. Oh, what the heck is this, too? I don't know. Electronics. Looked like a cell phone coming up, didn't it? Oh, yeah, we're on something. Oh, look at that. Doesn't that look nice coming out of the water? With the sun shining right on the water. Always like that. Oh, we got a couple somethings on here. Let's see what we got here. Big plate of metal. Unknown. Some screws. Corona caps. There's a lot of stuff on that one. Yeah, I think this is going to be the last catch. Whatever. And I got something strange on it. Oh, something was on my rope. I'm blocking it. But let's see what we can get on the last one. Alright. This ledge is a little high here, but what do we got? Oh, don't tell me. The old burnt spoon? Oh no, fork. We're having cake. Maybe birthday cake. Alright, bonus throw. Going through the woods. Uh-oh, I'm caught up in a tree. It's going to be a battle. I'll win. And if you want to get your magnet clean, this is sure the way to do it. Alright, stick around. I'm going to show you the hood. Okay, MFers, I'm going to call it a day. That was a pretty good spot. We got a lot of stuff. And I'm cruising through the hood on the way home. And if you liked it, hit the like. If you want, subscribe. And everybody, have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching again.